Hello, my name is Sarah Abdul Hafiz, and today I participated in the Financial Literacy Program by KFI Global, in which I learned about interest and auto debit. Thank you so much to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this program.
Hi, my name is Ahmed Wahab. I'm here to thank the KFI program for providing this financial literacy lesson, which helps us learn about how we use the money and how we could change our future. I like the most about this program is how it helps us provide a better future and know how to use our money properly without wasting it.
Hi, I'm Sarah Al-Sayed, and what I liked about today's program is that we learned how to better manage our finances. And thank you so much for Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this program.
My name is Hamid Haji. I'm here with the KFI Global program, which they taught me about business and about the benefit and disadvantage of credit cards.
Hello, my name is Lana Radwan. In this financial program, I learned about credit cards, debit cards, and how to manage your money positively. It also made me more aware about financial decisions, and I want to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this.